In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can remove your card from Prizepicks. Now, this can be done on your PC on the Prizepicks website, or it can be done on the Prizepicks app on your phone, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks. And from there, you just want to log into your account, and you can do that by going into the top right corner and clicking this login button here. From there, when you're logged into your account, you'll actually be able to see your balance in the top right corner, and just next to that, there is a green plus button, and we use this button to deposit money into our Prizepicks account. So this is where we'll be able to find our card and our other payment methods. So click on this green button here, and from there you should be able to see a screen like this which will show you all the different payment methods. Now, they actually say on the website here that you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. And you can do that by clicking on the trash icon, which will be next to one of your payment methods. So since we're trying to remove our card from Prizepicks, we want to look for the credit and debit card option, and we want to look for the trash icon, which should be somewhere near there. However, if you can't see it and yours looks similar to what's on screen now, that means that 60 days haven't passed since you have deposited, and that means you won't actually be able to remove your card until 2 months have passed. Now, if you're certain it's been 2 months and you still can't figure out how to remove your card, I'd recommend that you head over to the Prizepicks Help Centre and then go over to their live support so that you can chat to a support representative who should be able to help you remove your card from Prizepicks. So that's how you can remove your card from Prizepicks. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.